Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Shoo! Are you okay? I don't know. Achoo! I can't stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if achoo! What if you tried to sneeze a little more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be best friends. And we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, don't speak. It is too late. Shoot. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy's a pig. Piggy's also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Ugh. I don't think pigs make you sneeze. And I don't think cats make you sneeze either. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you.